will see the deployment of 4 main parachutes, 116 feet in diameter. These chutes will slow the capsule's descent from about 350 mph to approximately 15 mph for a gentle splashdown in the Atlantic Ocean. Recovery ships including SpaceX's Go Searcher and Go Navigator will be standing by to retrieve the capsule and crew, bringing them safely back to dry land.
We encourage all our viewers to stay tuned to this channel for live coverage of this extraordinary event. From the breathtaking launch of the Falcon Heavy to the groundbreaking spacewalk and the nail-biting return to Earth, we'll bring you every moment of the Polaris Dawn mission. Our coverage will include expert commentary from former astronauts, space scientists, and engineers who will provide insights into the technical aspects of the mission. We'll also have live interviews with family members of the crew and representatives from SpaceX and the Polaris program. For those interested in a more interactive experience, we'll be hosting live Q&A sessions on our social media platforms, where viewers can ask questions about the mission and space exploration in general. Don't miss this chance to witness history in the making. Set your reminders, tell your friends, and join us for comprehensive coverage of the Polaris Dawn mission. The future of space exploration begins today, and you can be part of it right here on our channel. Remember, the countdown has already begun. Polaris Dawn is about to take flight, carrying with it the hopes and dreams of a new era in space exploration. Stay with us, and let's embark on this incredible journey together.
Initiated. Stand by for Dragon landing sequence.
In a world pushing the boundaries of space exploration, one mission stands out. Today, history will be made. Prepare for launch.
SpaceX is go for EVA operations.
Polaris Dawn. Ladies and gentlemen, today we witness the launch of the groundbreaking Polaris Dawn mission. But before we delve into the details of this historic event, let's take a moment to explore the origins of this ambitious endeavor. The Polaris program, of which Polaris Dawn is the first mission, was conceived by Jared Isaacman, the commander of the successful Inspiration mission in 2021. Inspired by the achievements of Inspiration, Isaacman envisioned a series of increasingly complex missions that would push the boundaries of commercial spaceflight and contribute to humanity's journey to the Moon and Mars. Announced in February 2022, the Polaris program consists of 3 planned missions, each designed to test new technologies and techniques crucial for future space exploration. Polaris Dawn, as the inaugural mission, sets the stage for unprecedented achievements in commercial spaceflight. Now, as we stand on the cusp of this historic launch, let's examine the powerful rocket that will carry our brave crew into orbit. The Falcon 9, developed by SpaceX. The Falcon 9 is a marvel of modern engineering. Here are some key characteristics of the Falcon 9 for the Polaris Dawn mission. Height, approximately 70 meters, 230 feet. Diameter, 3.7 meters, 12 feet. Mass, about 549,000 kilowatts, 1.2 million pounds. When fully fueled, thrust at sea level, approximately 7,607 kN, 1.7 million pounds. Payload capacity, capable of delivering up to 22,800 ki, 5,265 pounds, to low Earth orbit engines, equipped with 9 Merlins on the first stage. Reusability. The first stage is capable of landing and being reused, significantly reducing launch costs. Fuel. Uses liquid oxygen, LOX, and kerosene, RP1, as rocket propellants. Upper stage. Equipped with a single Merlin vacuum engine optimized for space operations. Orbital maneuvering capabilities. Able to deploy payloads to various orbits, including the high elliptical orbit required for the Polaris Dawn mission. What's truly remarkable about the Falcon 9 is its fuel efficiency. The rocket uses densified propellant, an innovation that allows SpaceX to load more fuel into the same tank volume. This results in improved performance and longer engine burn times, crucial for reaching the high orbit targeted by Polaris Dawn.
The Falcon 9's impressive capabilities are further enhanced by its reusability. After launch, the first stage will separate and return to Earth, landing vertically at a designated landing zone or on an autonomous drone ship at sea. This revolutionary approach significantly reduces the cost of space missions, opening up new possibilities for frequent and ambitious space exploration. The landing process itself is a spectacle to behold. Using grid fins for steering and engine burns for deceleration, the first stage performs a complex aerial ballet before touching down on its landing pad or ship. This process has been refined over numerous missions, with SpaceX achieving a success rate of over 90% in recent years. The Falcon 9's first stage is equipped with 4 deployable landing legs made of state-of-the-art carbon fiber with aluminum honeycomb. These legs are stowed against the rocket body during ascent and deployed just before landing to ensure a stable touchdown. The rocket's onboard computer uses GPS tracking, inertial measurement units, and other sensors to guide itself to a precise landing, even in challenging weather conditions. This reusability feature not only reduces launch costs, but also allows for a rapid launch cadence. After landing, the first stage can be refurbished and ready for another flight in as little as a few weeks, a turnaround time that continues to improve as SpaceX refines its processes.
Now let's turn our attention to the spacecraft that will house our intrepid explorers, the Crew Dragon. This state-of-the-art vehicle represents the pinnacle of spacecraft design. The Crew Dragon, also known as Dragon 2, is a class of reusable spacecraft developed and manufactured by SpaceX. The capsule stands 26.7 feet tall and 13 feet in diameter, with a launch payload of 6,000 kg and a return payload of 3,000 kg. It can accommodate up to 7 astronauts, although for this mission, it will carry a crew of 4. The Crew Dragon boasts a sleek, modern interior with touchscreen controls and autonomous docking capabilities. Its life support system is designed to recycle resources, ensuring a comfortable environment for extended missions. The capsule is also equipped with 8 Super Draco engines, which serve as a launch escape system in case of emergency during liftoff. One of the most innovative features of the Crew Dragon is its Environmental Control and Life Support System, ECLSS. This system manages air pressure, oxygen levels, and removes carbon dioxide and other contaminants from the cabin air. It also controls temperature and humidity, ensuring a comfortable environment for the crew throughout their mission. The capsule's heat shield is another engineering marvel. Made of PISA X, a proprietary variant of NASA's phenolic-impregnated carbon ablator, PISA material, it can withstand temperatures up to 3,005 degrees Fahrenheit during re-entry. This robust protection is crucial for the safe return of our astronauts.
One of the most exciting aspects of the Polaris Dawn mission is the new spacesuit.
Vehicular activity, EVA, represent a significant advancement over the intravehicular activity, EVA suits used in and improved life support systems. The suit's helmet is equipped with